Imagine this. You're grinding 60-hour weeks, staring at a bank account that mocks you every payday. Bills stack like dominoes. One wrong move, and it all crumbles. Sound familiar? Most people chase wealth like it's a lottery ticket. Flashy cars, designer labels, endless hustle. But here's the brutal truth. Wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with you, your mindset, your moves, your mastery. What if I told you there's a hidden ladder, 7 levels that separate the broke from the unbreakable, the survivors from the shapers of empires? Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and you'll uncover exactly where you stand and how to climb higher. Because real wealth is not about getting rich quick. It's about getting free forever. Ready to shatter your illusions? Let's climb.
Wealth isn't a fat bank balance. It's the freedom to chase sunrises without a boss's shadow, the security to say no to soul-crushing jobs, the impact to lift others as you rise. It's the quiet power of knowing you've got options, not obligations. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 7 levels of wealth, a roadmap forged from the trenches of my own climbs and the stories of millionaires who started with nothing. Each level has its mindset, its traps, and one game-changing move to propel you forward. By the end, you'll pinpoint your spot on the ladder and the exact step to take next. This isn't theory. It's your ticket to transformation. Let's start at the bottom, where most of us begin.
Level 1, survival wealth. Your mindset is, I just need to get by. You're living paycheck to paycheck, every dollar a battlefield. Rent devours half your income, groceries the rest, leaving 0 for dreams, 0 for disasters. Constant stress coils in your gut like a spring ready to snap. No savings, no assets, just the raw fight to eat tomorrow. The trap? That seductive whisper. I'll save later, once things calm down. Spoiler, they never do. You're stuck in survival mode, blind to the leaks draining your life. But here's your move. Track every single expense for 30 days, no mercy, no excuses. Use a free app, a notebook, whatever. Then, carve out $1,000 for an emergency fund. Not tomorrow, today. This shifts your focus from frantic awareness to rock-solid stability. One breath at a time, you're no longer prey. You're building the base.
Level 2, stability wealth. Mindset upgrade, I'm safe now. You've got a buffer, 3 months' expenses tucked away. Bills arrive like old acquaintances, not assassins. No more midnight sweats over car repairs or doctor's visits. But here's the problem. Your money's idle, lounging in a low-interest account like a couch potato. Safety feels like success, but it's a velvet trap, whispering you're good enough while inflation nibbles your nest egg to dust. Your move? Dip your toes into investing. Start small, like $50 a month into a low-cost index fund. Learn the magic of compounding. $100 invested at 7% annually becomes $761 in 30 years. Automate it, forget it. Let time do the heavy lifting. Your focus from mere safety to growth mindset. You're not just surviving storms, you're planting seeds for forests.
Level 3, growth wealth. Now your mindset roars. I want my money to work for me. You're diving in. Index funds humming in the background, a side hustle sparking weekends, maybe your first rental property whispering cha-ching in your sleep. Momentum builds like a snowball down a hill. Confidence surges. Possibilities explode. The trap? Emotions hijacking the wheel. Panic selling during pocket dips, FOMO buying crypto hype trains that crash spectacularly. One bad headline and poof, your portfolio's a graveyard. Counter it with this move. Automate your investments. Diversify like a pro and lock in a long-term lens. Set it and forget it. Dollar cost average through the noise. No chasing unicorns, chase consistency. Your focus? Mastering emotions for unbreakable consistency. Growth isn't a sprint, it's the compound interest of discipline.
Builder's mindset. Inspired,
organized, visionary. Level 4, structural wealth. Mindset, I'm building systems that scale. No more trading hours for dollars. You've got multiple streams. A business humming on autopilot, real estate cashing checks, investments compounding in harmony. It's a machine now, oiled and efficient, freeing you to dream bigger. Trap alert, overcomplicating the blueprint. Shiny new ideas pile up like unfinished Lego towers. You overcommit, burn out, and watch it all wobble. Your move? Simplify ruthlessly. Systemize what works. Scale only the winners. Audit your streams quarterly. What's pulling its weight? Double down. The rest? Cut like dead weight. Focus on building to optimize. You're not just wealthy, you're an engineer of empires.
Level 5, freedom wealth. The mindset flips. I don't work for money. Money works for me. Passive income floods in. Dividends, royalties, rentals, covering your dream life with room to spare. Time, your ultimate currency. Mornings for meditation, afternoons for passions, no alarms dictating your dawn. The trap? Freedom's double-edged sword. Without structure, you drift, binge watching life away, purpose evaporating like morning mist. Enough becomes a moving target. Reclaim it. Redefine enough on paper. What's your ideal day? Design your life around it intentionally. Schedule adventures like appointments. Your focus? From raw freedom to deep fulfillment. You've escaped the cage. Now build wings.
Abundance wealth. Mindset, I have more than I need, and it's a gift. Wealth isn't hoarded, it's a multiplier for opportunities, generosity, unshakable peace. You take moonshot risks because failure's just tuition. You invest in people, mentoring startups, funding dreams, watching ripples turn to waves. Life, pure enjoyment, no scarcity scars. Trap? The creep of lifestyle inflation, bigger yachts chasing bigger voids, or forgetting gratitude amid the glow. Your move? Reinvest in the intangibles, lifelong learning, soul-deep relationships, uncompromised health. Give 10% away monthly, journal 3 gratitudes daily. Focus from abundance to growth through giving. True wealth multiplies when shared. Yours, theirs, the world's.
Legacy wealth. The pinnacle mindset. My wealth must outlive me. You're the architect of eternals, teaching blueprints to the next generation. Impact investing in clean water for villages, building foundations that echo for decades. Family fortified, communities elevated, your mark on the world indelible. The trap? Pouring all into the out there, neglecting the joy in your right now, becoming a ghost in your own story. Balance it. Weave purpose with presence. Schedule sacred time for self, for love. Mentor without martyrdom. Your focus? From legacy to profound meaning. You've climbed the ladder, not to stand alone, but to pull others up.
There it is, the 7 levels of wealth. Not a sprint to millions, but a mastery of mindset and moves. From survival's scramble to legacy's light, every rung redefines what's possible. Wealth isn't just money, it's mastery. So, pause right now. Which level are you on? Survival? Freedom? Or somewhere in between? Drop it in the comments below. I read every one, and let's spark a conversation. If you're itching to leap from stability to growth, hit play on my next video, The Smart Investor Blueprint, your no BS guide to turning $100 into a fortune machine. Remember, wealth isn't luck, it's levels, and every step you take today echoes forever. You've got the ladder. Now climb. See you at the top.